Hi everyone! In this video, you'll find out how to create processes with the Processes application and centralize recurring requests. Go to your Processes application and click on Add a Process. Only process administrators have access to this button. Step 1. Define your process. The first step is to describe your process. Add a name, which will be displayed on the dedicated card. A short presentation, also displayed on the dedicated card. A summary that will appear at the top of each request to help users. You can also add a link to a note, explaining in detail how the process works. An illustrative image, displayed on the dedicated card and in the list of requests made by users. A status, i.e. whether the process is enabled or disabled. A disabled process cannot be launched and will only be visible to process administrators. Step 2. Manage processes. Process requests are managed via a task project, automatically created within a workspace. A task is created for each new request, and process managers are notified. When creating a process, select the space in which you want to manage requests. Check that you are a member of. You can only select one space, and the tasks application has to be added. All members of this space become process managers. They can access tasks and manage requests. Step 3. Access a process and make a request. To define who can access a process and make a request, select one or more spaces or groups. In this way, you can create processes accessible only to some groups of users. To make a process accessible to everybody, specify users. Step 4. Add documents or forms to your process. You can add editable documents and forms to each process. They are used as templates and duplicated for each new request. A form is a text file in which some fields can be modified by applicants. This enables you to provide pre-formatted requests. Forms are saved in the Workflow folder in the Management space, and each process has a dedicated folder. Process managers can edit templates via the Spaces Documents application. New versions will automatically be used for future user requests. Form templates that can be edited by process managers are in docx format, while forms filled out by requesters are in oform format. Step 5. Track a process request. Let's have a look at what happens once a user has made a request. Documents added as attachments to a request are saved in the Tasks folder in the Process Management space. Each request has a dedicated folder. A process follows different steps. By default, there are 5. Request, in progress, validated, refused, and cancelled. For customized monitoring of your processes, you can edit these steps after the task project has been created. You can rename, add, or delete them. Specific colors enable users to quickly see the status of their requests. Gray for a request, orange for those currently being processed, green for validated requests, red for rejected ones, and gray for requests cancelled by the user.